Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to my channel, Low Carb Wishes, Keto Dreams. We are doing a drive with me. I'm just leaving my folks' house. It is cookie season. Dun dun dun. Hold on, let me adjust my thing. There we go. Dun dun dun. Cookie season. My daughter's a Girl Scout, and we are in the process of selling cookies, which are a bane of my existence because I love cookies. So yeah, I just dropped off not an order form because we're past the orders. It's a description sheet basically that says what the cookies are and how much each one is, because I guess most of them are $4, and then the s'more sandwich cookies and the Toffee-tastics, which are gluten-free, are $6. And so they've got people in the park I know that want some, and whatever they want I'll get from our troop leader and bring and have our daughter go around in her cute little shirt and her vest. It's so sweet. I never did Girl Scouts, so, you know, I never got to do that. I did like fundraiser things for my school though. But yeah, so we are heading home now. We just got done with the WIC office for our littlest one this morning, and she's a year old now. Yay! So her food is changing. She doesn't get the baby food anymore. She gets like the big people food. It's like Cheerios and eggs, and they want her drinking whole milk now rather than formula. I still have one more like thing left before my food resets, so I'll burn through the formula we have. But I'm drinking a Starbucks. Actually, it's like half Starbucks, half caramel macchiato Keurig cup for my folks' house. So I had a $5 gift card that I had won at a wine tasting I did the end of last year. I'm just February, and I'm finally burning it. So after we got done with the WIC, I was like, tried to call my dad to drop off that paper, and he didn't pick up. I guess they were at the doctor's office, and which would explain why he didn't answer his phone. And so I was like, you know what? I'm gonna go use that Starbucks card. So okay, so I can clean my glasses. I'm all fuzzy. They were in my bag. Now they're all fuzzy. I think I don't know if there's on my like mystery things on my welcome to motherhood mystery stains everywhere. Lord only knows. Okay. So tomorrow is food day. We will see what and happy Valentine's Day. Today is Valentine's Day. It is the 14th. It's a happy Valentine's Day. I still haven't posted my video for Monday. It's Thursday. Hopefully I'll post that one tonight, and then I'll post this one tomorrow. Fingers crossed. Fingers crossed. But yeah, I do a what is it? A sugar-free vanilla latte, a venti sugar-free vanilla latte breve. I guess that's the half and half. I know it's probably a lot of half and half that they use, but it's good. I like it. My dad gets the same thing but with no foam. I'm like, I like the foam. It's fuzzy. we are heading home. I have no idea what I'm going to do for dinner. I got to clean out my fridge. I'm not looking forward to that. I have got Lord only knows what in there. And he ain't telling. So we are heading on home. I think I might do, I don't have cottage cheese though, so that might be out. I want to do like a, oh, I'm out of, never mind, that's out. My husband has to go shopping. I don't have any cheese. I am out of cheese. How does this happen? So my husband's gonna have to get mozzarella and stuff. But I would like to do an Italian bake. Oh, and my husband and I actually went out last night for Valentine's Day, and we went to a place locally here. I don't know if they're a chain or no, not a chain, but like a franchise. It's a Bascoms Chop House. My brother had given me a gift card for Christmas for us to go out and have a nice dinner, and so we went there, and it was really good. It was not a keto dinner. We ate all the things, but it was actually really good. We had our appetizer. Actually, it was pretty keto friendly until you got to dessert. So the appetizer was what they call a garlic shrimp, and it was like a wine garlic cream sauce. It was like a Chardonnay and garlic sauce. And then like butterfly. I think there were 6 of them. Butterfly shrimp. I think there was 6 of them. So you got 3. I got 3. And then they had, what is this car doing? And then I had a lobster bisque soup that was delicious. Like, you just pour it down my gullet. It was that good. And then for dinner, we both did, well, he did a ribeye. I did the prime rib. Same cut of meat, but different cooking styles. I'm always torn because I love that cut, but I love prime rib and I love like ribeye, like on the grill type deal. So he got the ribeye, I got the prime rib, and we sort of shared a couple bites of each. The difference is he likes his medium and I like mine medium rare. So burnt to a crisp or bloody as hell. So he does, you know, I'll eat his, but he doesn't like how red that I like mine. And that was awesome. That was delicious. I got mine with garlic broccolini. I could have used a little more flavor. It didn't have a lot of garlic or salt on it, but the steak was amazing. The prime rib, that was really good. And then we had dessert, you know, because it's Valentine's Day. He had the blueberry cheesecake, and I did the creme brulee. I haven't had creme brulee in like forever and a day, and it was worth it. It was so worth it. I don't know. Honestly, I don't know if it was worth it because I'm like stiff and sort of sore this morning, my joints and things. But it was good. So this morning I'm drinking coffee. I'm sort of fasting today. It's 10:30 now, so we'll see how things are going. I do want to go by, I don't know if I mentioned this before, there's an ice cream shop locally here in Florida, at least, and I know there's several in the state of Florida, but there's 2 in the town that I live in called Delights Ice Cream or Creamery or something like that. It's Delights. It's like a D and an apostrophe. And they do sort of a lower sugar, like low carb, low calorie, soft serve type ice cream. And the one up the street from me in Clearwater, they just started carrying Rebel Creamery pints of ice cream, and I got an email the other day about it. Apparently they sell out really quick, so I'm like waiting for the next email. I may run up there today and see what they have, because I am so excited. I've been wanting to try it, and when I went on their website and looked, it's like $7 a pint, which doesn't surprise me, but siren. It's like $7 a pint, but then the shipping was like $20 because you got to do the that's a big old fire truck. That's not good. Yeah, the shipping was like $20. Like, good grief, because they gotta pack it in the dry ice and everything. So, I'm expecting it to be like $10 a pint when I go up and get it at the Delights, because it's wholesale at that point. But I don't know. We'll see. Maybe they're getting a good price because they're buying in bulk. So fingers crossed. I will see if I can't get up there. I don't know if the baby's gonna take a nap. If she takes a nap today, I'll run up there and see. But because we've been driving around, she's taking little cat naps, and I don't know. I don't know if she's gonna take a nap today. So we shall see. Oh, my hand's in the way. We shall see. They did all this road work around where I live by the airport, and it sucks. Like, they're done with the road work and the entire, well, no, they're not done with it, because what they're doing is they're building an expressway around the airport. But the local road work that they've been working on is done. And it is the most jacked up thing I have ever seen. It's obvious that none of these people drive these roads. Like, none of the movements make sense. So I don't get it. I don't get it. I don't know what our Department of Transportation people are smoking, when there are just some very, very simple alterations to the plans that could have been made that would have made things flow 10 times smoother, and they wouldn't even have been like a big deal. It would have been simple to do. So I don't know. But oh, my great grandmother used to drive around, like back in the day, before I was born. They were doing like a whole bunch of construction. It's a big city. It's ever changing. And for like 5 or 6 years, they were doing all this construction along some roadways. And every time they would pass through that area, she'd be like, oh, it'll be so nice when it's finished, And so it's become, she said sarcastically, she said that. So it's become the running gag in the family that, oh, it'll be so nice when it's finished. Okay, truck, you can stop. Thank you. But it's a big black Ram. Why is it always a black Ram truck that, like, the drivers are always so aggressive? I don't understand. Once in a blue moon, it'll be another brand of truck. Still black truck. But like 9 times out of 10, it's a Ram. And I don't understand why. When I was pregnant with was it my daughter? Yeah, it was my daughter. I had one try and run me off the road. No, this guy just came screaming up on my rear end. I'm like, really? Anyway, what was I saying? Oh, it'll be so nice when it's finished. So all this construction going on. I mean, they're building this massive interstate system around the airport here in Clearwater. I guess I guess it is an international airport, but I guess they're trying to build it up and make it a bigger airport. Who knows? Who knows? So, anyway, I am very close to home, so I am going to let you go for now. If I'm able to get the Rebel Creamery, I will pop back on and say hi. So, we will talk to you later. Bye.